let me explain you in under 3 minutes why Hal9 is the best platform for you to create your own custom AIs. Let's go try it. Right, after we click try now, we can go and request something to Hal9. This is the existing Hal9 application that would allow you to customize and build beyond the functionalities that we will provide here. Let's give it a second. So just like that, we're about to see the image that Hal9 created for us. This is a vibrant coffee shop taken with an iPhone. It looks great. I love it, but I want to teach you how to create your own AI. So let's just go do that. I'm gonna click create, and then I'm gonna give it a title. Let's say that I want to create a Spanish tutor. And the instructions would be help me learn Spanish. That's it. Now, I'm gonna keep it very simple for this demo, but you can also upload your own spreadsheets, your own PDFs, and even connect to databases to make this experience even richer and better and make use of your own private data. Let's go. Click create and boom, just like that, I have my Spanish tutor. I'm gonna say, hello, how are you? Right, and as you can see here, the Spanish tutor is already helping me learn Spanish just with those clicks. But why is Hal9 the best platform for you to actually build your AIs? Well, the big difference between Hal9 and other platforms is when you use Hal9, you are building Python code that you can then extend or work with us to help you extend and build a truly customizable experience that can be the best possible AI for your business. So let's just click edit and we're just gonna look at the code behind it. This is the actual Python code that we created for you, and you can go ahead and modify it. You can work with us and we'll improve it. Let me show you a more complex use case. In this particular case, I connected to a private data set, healthcare related. Hal9 can run directly in your organization. And I asked the question, how do protein 1 levels vary across different stages? This particular answer is not just text, it's a full-on application that was generated to help you understand this particular private data set directly in Hal9. And all of this is powered by the same functionality. And this level of complexity, really very few AI providers, if any, can actually get you to here. So now we ask the AI to also add sliders to help us filter this data set by age. And that's exactly what Hal9 is doing, is generating that code. And now we have an interactive application that can further filter those particular values. So let me just slide here. That's the value. And there you go. And even more powerful than that, the applications that are created with Hal9 within Hal9 can also be shared. So I'm opening that application in a new link. And if you wanted to, you could just share the outcome of this application. It's great. You can modify it and use the code and deploy additional features and the like, all within Hal9. So hopefully this gives you a great idea of the possibilities of using Hal9 from very easy use cases to very complex ones. Everything on that range we can handle with Hal9. If you have any questions, head out to hal9.com. You can schedule time with us, you can play with the demo, and talk to you soon.